Okay, so I just finished filming a Mask Make Monday video, and I thought I would just do a quick short on how I clean up my desk, you know, afterwards, because everybody has a different cleanup process. And so the first thing I do is I stack together whatever it is that I created, and I set that on to the side. And then I will take any tools that are most important that they stay away from my puppies and make sure those get put away, or from my pets, because it's not just my puppies. And then that was me putting away my scoreboard. And then as far as these papers go, what I will do is I will actually sort them at this point and decide, is there anything here worth saving? I really don't think there is this time. I'm drowning in scraps at the moment. None of these are super wide. They're all pretty thin, weird shapes, glued already. So at this point, what I will do is just, I have this box, or just any old box that, like packaging box that I have sitting around, and I will have it, I keep one next to my desk, and that's where all my little bits like this that I've decided are just garbage go into. And then what happens is that it goes from there, the whole box gets taken outside and buried. I have 40 acres of clay, essentially. I have super heavy clay soil, and so I always have some spot that I'm working on developing the soil for. And so the first step of that for us, because I really like the hugelkultur method of gardening, it works really, really well for me because I'm super lazy, especially in the summertime. So is to dig out a hole and then start backfilling. And so the paper is almost always one of the bottom layers, that and cat litter, to be honest. We have a mess of cats in the house, so we go through a lot of cat litter, and so the cat litter gets buried. But so tools get picked up and put away first, paper gets thrown away, and then I will take my finished items and file them based on what they are. You know, a lot of times it's an unfinished product that will just go onto the shelf that is right here next to me. If you watch my Organize It videos, you'll know that there's a bookcase just very, very close to my right hand side over here, as well as a corner cabinet, and both of those house all of this stuff to keep it safe from my cats. So that's how I clean my desk. Thank you so much for watching. I can't tell you how much I appreciate your time and you hanging out with me, and you hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button. It's literally changing my world. So thank you so much.